Hello guys, welcome back to 3 in 1 vlog. Hope you all are doing super fine. So guys, here is another vlog. I really hope that you like it. So here Chinese New Year is going on, so they have 2 weeks holidays here. So everything was closed, so we were also so bored sitting in the dorm doing nothing. So we decided to go to the beach and explore it. So here we are at the beach. We are moving towards the beach. As you guys can see from here, the water is shining. So here we are. Let's go forward and I will show what more things are here in the beach side. Look at the view and clear crystal water. Oh my god, mesmerized. On the other side of beach, they made a small cafe area and a rooftop where you can take your coffee or you can sit normally and enjoy the view from the rooftop. Here we are at the rooftop. As you guys can see, we are enjoying the view. It's like a chilly weather and the sun was also there, so it was not that cold. So here we finish our coffee. We sat there for almost 2 to 3 hours, and then here we are going back. No, not going back. Basically, we are doing some hiking. And that's all. Here we are sitting in the bus and going back to our dorm. Here is our small outing and we enjoyed a lot. See you guys in the next vlog.
So guys, I really hope that you like this video. If yes, so please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will catch you in the next vlog.